It is a rainy afternoon right now, and I just arrived at the pond. I am really excited to go fishing today. I haven't been fishing as much as I would like to for the time of year it is right now. I need to be out in the water a lot more than I have been. I've just been really busy with number one, school, also tournaments that I should have been filming. Just things have been going wrong. I don't know how to explain it. Just when I've went out and filmed, a lot of times I just go out and film and something comes up, whether it be one thing or the other, and I'm not able to like upload the video, whether it be like just losing all the footage for no reason on the memory cards, or just not setting out to do what I needed to film that day. But enough of those excuses. I just want to let you guys know what has been up lately, because there has been a slowdown on the videos, but now I am back on track. I feel like school will be ending in like 3 weeks, so I will really start to focus on getting content out for you guys. Right now, like I said though, it's a little rainy, but I'm not going to let that stop me. You may have to be in and out of the waterproof housing on the GoPro, which means worse audio, but hey, at least we're out there fishing. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get rigged up and head out to the pond and try to catch us some big ones. Let's go. Oh! There he is. There he is. Man. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that was a cool scenario. I cast it out there, got slammed, and I didn't stop anything. A lot of times people will stop their bait when you get a hit, like top water or anything. But what you want to do is actually keep reeling that bait, keep on reeling it. And that's what I did. And the fish didn't come back for a good 5, 6, 7 seconds. So I was like, he might not hit again. Right towards the end of the cast, I assumed that fish came back and hit it. Fish number 2. And ladies and gentlemen, we have been caught by the storm as well. It's starting to come in. Okay. Oh my God, I just got hammered. Come on. Fish are missing the bait. There he is. Got him that time. Okay, fish number 3. It is really cold out here actually. I was not prepared for it to be this cold just because it's been kind of warmer lately. But I promise you, it is it's cold, very cold. See if we can get another one. Oh, that was a good cast. Oh man, just missed another one. There he is. First crank. I mean, that was like my first crank. Long cast, my first couple cranks of the reel handle, and he hit it. And that was in a wind-blown corner. All 4 of these fish that I've caught on this pond now have came in a corner that has been like, the wind has been pounding into. Like earlier I fished a lot of stuff that like the wind wasn't really, it was more protected, but let's see if I can catch them real quick. This might be the deal. Here we go. See if they're stacked up in this wind-blown corner. There he is. Oh yeah. Man, they smack it. These are little fish. I know there's bigger ones in here, but you know, I'll take any fish, but I'm really focusing on trying to catch a big one. Oh man, that was almost 2 in a row. There it is, 2 in a row. There's one. It's a big one. It's all right. It's a decent little fish. Man, this front has got them eaten. It's got a lot of these male buck bass feeding right now, I feel like. I'm trying to catch those big females. That's what I want. Got it. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice fish. Man, they are. I cannot describe to you how furious these bass are biting these baits right now. The bite is just so exhilarating when they hit it. Oh yeah. Another buck, but they are fat, and I'm telling you one thing, these fish like this are so fun to catch. Sometimes them big ones stress me out, but we're definitely still in hot pursuit. Come on, give me a big fish, that's all I want. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Boys, I can tell you right now this is a better fish. Okay, he's not a huge one, but he's a little bit better. I could just tell the way that thing hit it that he had some shoulders. Look at how thick this thing is. Wow. Beautiful little male. It is just a feeding frenzy out here with these fish. And the crazy part crazy part about this is there's plenty of big fish in here, but I'm just catching these males right now. Welcome back to good audio, folks. We are in hot pursuit of a big bass right now. There he is. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, this one feels better too. I don't know if he's huge, but he's a little bit better, I think. Oh yeah, better fish for sure. Not a giant, but it is a solid one. Okay, there he is, yellow bass. When they hit you on that long cast, especially how hard these fish are fighting, they fool you. I've been fooled once or twice today, and that was definitely a case where a smaller fish hits it so hard where you think it's a big one. How this will go is now I want to actually get bit by a big one. It'll just barely tap it, and I'll think it's a small one until I lean into it. That's how it goes sometimes. Oh, right by the bank. Right by the bank. I saw him eat it. It's a little dinker. Red eyes too. Look at those red eyes. I promise you this is the money spot. Here we go. I'm calling it. Come on. I'm calling at least some sort of bass. I'm calling it. And that did not take long. Please be a big one. No, it's just a nice one. Man, I don't know. I've been fishing for only like 25 minutes, and I promise you, I've caught at least 10 to 15 fish. There's another one. Buck after buck after buck. Let's see if there's another one in there. Another one. They're just all little 12 to 14 inch chunks. Look at how yellow and fat that thing is. Look at that. Beautiful. Where's these big ones? There's one. It's just cast after cast after cast. I promise you it is. Right by the bank. I was getting ready to bring it out and cast again, and I just felt one nail it. There it goes. I'm really rushing because I do not want to get caught in this next storm. These other storms, they've been not as bad. This one I'm seeing lightning and hearing thunder, so I definitely want to get done fishing before this thing hits and get back in my car. There's one. I'm just having a ball out here. I don't know how many back-to-back casts I have catching bass today, but it's a lot. There he is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Big one. Big fish right there. That's what I'm looking for. That's a nice one. That's more what I'm looking for. Get up in here, you fat mama. Oh yeah. It's about a 3-pounder right there. Not a big fish, but that's a nice fish right there. There he is. Off the bridge, baby. Man, back to back. Unbelievable half an hour bass fishing. It hasn't even been a half hour. It's been like 27 minutes, and I haven't been keeping track of how many fish I've been catching, but I will definitely put it on the screen right now. This is crazy. This is crazy. It's like every few casts. Look at that. Like, I'm sitting here trying to talk. That is a crappie, actually. I guess we'll count that. But just the fish are going crazy right now. That's all I have to say. That ain't bad. It's a little bit fatter. Got him. He hit it twice the cast before. And I just pitched back in there. Slow rolled it through the strike zone. He bit it. Oh. Right by the bank, saw him eat it. Look, he's still so feisty. Got him. Oh. He's all right. It's not huge. Oh, he's in a rock now. There he goes. He's not a bad one. Okay, that's gonna have to do it for me today. I do not want to get caught by a storm. It's coming in fast. I will meet you guys back at the truck, but all I have to say is for about a half an hour to 35 minutes of fishing, that was a lot of fish.